Hey guys, how are you? Happy fantabulous Wednesday. Oh my goodness, it has been a while. I think it's been 2 weeks since I put up a video. It's been hectic. It's been so crazy with daycare and everything, and there's some things that we are trying to work out, which I am going to be telling you guys about. I'm actually going to be doing a video. I'm trying to be as loud as I possibly can. We still have kids in the daycare right now. They're having free playtime. It's what, almost 4 o'clock or something like that. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a video explaining to you guys everything that's happening, that is going on. I've just been like, I contacted YouTube today because my views, like, I don't know what's going on with my views. Like, I've been missing. I'm missing over 5,000 views on my channel, and you know, I don't know why, what's going on. And I've been hearing a lot of other YouTubers that they've been complaining, well, not complaining, but they've been saying that they have been missing a lot of their views. And you know, we're not like a big channel yet. We're a very small channel, and so our views, it counts. It means a lot to me because I work very hard on these videos, editing wise. I mean, it takes a long time to edit one video, and you know, I work hard for the videos, you know, so that I can get them out to you guys, so you guys can watch it and enjoy it, and so we can communicate back and forth. And I've just been noticing, like, I've been getting a lot of comments on videos, but the views haven't changed. And so every single day I've been noticing, like, my views is been, you know, been taken away. Like one last week I noticed that I had like 71,000 views, and then like later on that day it went down to like 65,000 views, and I'm just like, what happened to my views? So I thought maybe YouTube was going through some changes, because I know that they're going through some changes, and so I don't know what happened to those views. And then this morning I woke up, it was like 70,000, 7 something, and then maybe like 3 hours later it was like 7,658. So I'm like, what's going on with the views? What's happening? So I emailed them, and they sent me back an email saying that they're working on it and that they'll get back to me in a day or so. So I'm glad for their prompt response, and you know, I'm just waiting to see what's happening, what's going on with my views, with my channel, with all the changes, because it is affecting us. And so yeah, so wonder how you guys are doing. Not wondering how you guys are doing. I know you guys are doing fantabulous, of course. But just wanted to stop by and say hi to you guys, because it's been a minute, y'all. It's been a minute. And there's a lot that is going on right now. Like, a whole lot. A lot of changes. Big changes. Live changes that's happening. And like I said, I am going to be doing a video explaining to you guys about that. That's why I really haven't put up a vlog yet, because there's so many things that's happening, especially with daycare. We are like increasing and expanding, so it's a lot, y'all. It's a lot. It's a lot of changes. Good changes, good things. But I just wanted to upload a video today to you guys, and you know, just saying hi, because I miss you guys so much. Oh my goodness, I love making content for you guys, and when I can't interact with my subbies, you know, I kind of like, I'm like, what's going on? I need to talk to them. I need to talk to you guys. So yeah, so I just wanted to come on here and say hi, you guys, and hope that you guys are having a fantabulous day. Hope you had a wonderful weekend, and I hope that your February is off to a great start. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys. Hey Nai. What's up, Mama? She's chilling. Look who's up here, you guys. Say hi, Mikey. How you feeling? He wasn't feeling so hot. He wasn't feeling good a little bit. He's chilling out in Nala's room. Well, they're both chilling out.
Oh yeah. Come on.
Come on, Kayla. What do you want to show them? Come on, we have to go back downstairs because Daddy has to go to the library.
Wait, Mommy.
Yeah.
Here.
What?
So.
He wasn't feeling so good, so we gave him some soup, some juice. Oh boy. Come on, Michaela.
I want to show them something.
Nice.
And this. Wrong. Wait, no, it's not like that. It's like this. Wait, no, it's like this.
All right, we gotta go, baby.
This is like this. I promise I'll get it.
Nice. So we redid Michaela's room, you guys. Now Michaela has Mikey's room. And she wanted hearts because Mikey wanted to share a room with Nyla. Ooh, sorry about the blurriness. Get the cream. Mikey wanted to share a room with Nyla because we were doing a transition situation. I'm telling you, we're undergoing major changes. So we did her room last week. Well, this weekend that passed. And she wanted hearts. I'll get it. She wanted hearts on her walls. Get off the bed with your dirty clothes.
This isn't dirty.
And then she wanted stripes. Then she wanted stripes. So that's what we did. We gave her that. And then these sheets are like ice cream. Got them from Target. Got it from Target. And this idea I think is so cool. I got that idea from Kinky Styles, I think is her name of her channel. She did a bedroom tour for her daughter's room, and she used the sheet, the flat sheet, as a bed skirt. I thought that was so clever, so I kind of took the style from her. Hope she doesn't mind, but I love the idea, so I did it with Michaela's bedroom as well. Yeah, so this is her new bedroom for now. This is what her closet looks like. So we are working on something, you guys, and I'm gonna let you guys in and know what's going on because all of this is about to change again. Hey guys, so I'm doing laundry as always. Y'all always see me. I'm always doing laundry. Oh goodness. I did laundry. I started since Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday. Oh, now I pooped. I started since Monday. Hold on. And you should have seen it yesterday on my floor. It was like a mountain of clothes that I washed and kind of just left it on the floor. So now, here's the mini mountain of clothes that I have that I gotta fold, which is not bad. And FedEx is here. I think I got my package. I ordered some shoes from Zulily, and it's just now arrived. I think that's it anyway. Yeah, it just now arrived. So I gotta change Nyla Beezy because she poop-a-looped. Hi, baby. You okay? You okay, Mikey? How are you feeling? Are you feeling better? Huh? That's Peter Parker? Nice. Nyla Beezy.
Going.
Let's get you changed, okay? You ready? Let me see. Let's get you nice and changed. How was school today?
Good.
Good. All right. So we're going to get her nice and changed. Nice and clean. Look at this, y'all. I so have to organize this child's closet. Like, it's like blankets and bed pads and diapers and underpants, just stuff. I really have to. And she has a pretty good sized closet. It's like a pretty big sized closet. But it's just not organized because, like, we are totally running out of space for everything. Right, Nyla? We are, like, running out of space for everything, you guys. Like, we need a bigger house. This is crazy. Like, this house is a pretty good size for a family of 5, but we need so much more space because we don't even have a lot of stuff. Like, to be honest, we really don't have a lot of stuff, but the kids are growing out of their rooms because they're getting bigger. They're getting bigger. So, yeah. But I'm gonna go change now. Be easy.
Bye.
Bye, baby.
Huh?
Bye.
Bye.
Feel better?
Huh?
You feel better?
Yep.
Yep.
Mommy.
Okay, we're gonna go get you something to eat, okay?
What?
So you can eat, so you're not hungry.
What?
So you're not hungry.
Huh?
We're gonna feed you so you could have something to eat.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
You're gonna say bye to the fams. Say bye, fams. What are you doing? Karate chop? Aw, thank you, baby.
Bye.
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 I love you. I
Uh,
love
uh,
you. Oh, look at my shoes. It came in. I'm so excited about it. It is so cute. So sexy looking. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to try it on and rock it out. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. Yay. I'm so excited it came in. Look at my shoes, you guys. It looks so good. Doesn't it? I gotta get my toes done. But it looks so good, y'all. Oh my gosh. Love it.
Shoe candy.
Shoe candy. It looks so good. You guys, look at this. This is what we woke up to this morning. It's like halfway of the fence. You see that? This is what my backyard looks like this morning. And it's still going. O-M to the G. Like, can y'all see that? It's crazy. It's still falling. All the toys are covered. My steps is covered. This is my backyard. Nuts. Absolutely nuts. This is the front of the yard. Crazy. What? Hey guys. Happy Thursday. I am just sitting here getting ready to get the kids up from nap time. Believe it or not, we're having a major blizzard today. And only 2 kids showed up today because all the schools are closed. And we're having a major snowstorm. So it's just been a light day. It's been a really great day. And the kids are out there watching some dance moves and stuff. So I'm actually going to get ready to get them some snacks. And then I'm going to edit this video and get this up for you guys today. So just wanted to say hi, see how you guys are doing. Hope all is well. And if you are new to our channel, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day, y'all. Bye.